In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to numbers in Excel. This is a really useful formatting trick when you want your numbers to display with extra labels without actually changing the underlying values in the cells. For example, you might want to show a number followed by a unit like kg, or place a short label such as ID before the number. The nice thing is that Excel can do this through custom formatting, so your data still remains numeric and can still be used in calculations. To get started, open your Excel file and select the cell or group of cells where you want to add text to your numbers. Once those cells are selected, right-click on the selection and choose Format Cells from the drop-down menu. This will open the Formatting Options panel on the right side. In that panel, make sure the Number tab is selected. If it is not already active, click on it. You'll then see a drop-down field for number categories. Click that drop-down and choose Custom. This is where Excel allows you to control exactly how the value appears. Now look for the Type field. This is where you'll enter the format you want. If you want to add text at the end of the number, type 0 followed by a space and then your text inside quotation marks. For example, enter 0 space quote, kg quote. This will make a number like 25 appear as 25 kg. The quotation marks are important because they tell Excel that this part should be treated as text in the display format. If you want to add text at the beginning of the number instead, enter the text in quotation marks first, followed by a space, and then 0. For example, type quote, ID quote space 0. With that format, a number like 123 would display as ID 123. As you enter the custom format, keep in mind that the 0 represents the number itself, and the quoted text is what Excel will add before or after it. This is a great option when you want a cleaner presentation without manually editing every cell. And that's it. Once you apply the custom format, your selected cells will show numbers with the added text exactly the way you want. It's a simple and efficient way to make spreadsheets easier to read while keeping your data usable behind the scenes. The